Today I am showing you how to generate cold email first line using SheetMagic AI tool. So it's very helpful in cold email first line, personalized first line. So for do that, need to open your sheet and all the data what you have, and you need to create two more columns. One is promote and second one is first line. So in promote, I write something like that. If you need this promote, just open video description and copy that from there and you are good to go. Just write here the promote and here we generate first lines. So if you purchase a sheet magic tool, so I purchased that one time version. So for this I need to use this with my OpenAI API. So if you uh like also purchase one time, so you need to first verify your sheet magic license, then set OpenAI key. So when you click OpenAI key, it's open something like that. For OpenAI key, just come here, platform openai.com. Once you log in, you see something like that. Just click on dashboard, then API key, and here you need to generate new key. Something just click on create new, and then uh, if I can delete this one and generate new one right here. Okay, copy this one and come here, paste here, save. Okay, success. And then our promote is here, everything is set. Just come here in first line section. First line, just come here, write something like that. And once you put AI, here is AI text because we open just right now sheet magic we activate in this sheet, so that's why it's showing sheet magic options. So click on that. Once you click on that, you need to select columns. In this case we have our website is in column E. Just click on column E2, then comma, and then our promote is in column M. So just click on space and M2, then close it. Once you enter them, it's start loading here. So here is our first line right here. You are able to see that. So if you need for every row, just put him in drop down like this, like this. So yeah, that's it.